Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about finally the S22 coming out, or well, being announced really yesterday. So I was trying to make this video yesterday, but it was just a pretty busy day yesterday. So we're making it today early in the morning. It's about 10 in the morning, well, 9:57. But we'll go ahead and get into it, guys, and see what's up with it, and finally the official specs and pricing on this phone, hopefully. So I haven't seen this. Like I said, I like to make these videos before I actually do research so I can give you my honest opinion. So let's go down here. Believe I did see it though. If we scroll down, look at that. It says S22 series. So the Galaxy S22 series, twice the storage, same price. Free storage upgrade with pre-order. So that's something that Samsung's doing and other carriers I've actually noticed, is a free storage upgrade with your pre-order. So even if you get the phone priced at, let's say, $1,000, and I'm just throwing some numbers, it's $1,000 for 128. For $1,000, you can get the 256 or the 1 terabyte or whatever it is. So let's get into it. It says S Pen and functionality only available on the S22 Ultra. So that pen you can only get with the Ultra, of course. You cannot get it with any other one. So pre-order, twice storage, same price. Free storage upgrade and Boost E gift card. Wow, with pre-order. So you're actually going to get a Boost E gift card, which is really nice. It says, let's actually read the fine print. It says E gift card with Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus and the Ultra only. So you cannot get this with a regular S22. It has to be with the S22 Plus or the Ultra. It says e-gift card may only be used towards monthly service fee. So this is not going to be a what they call like an open loop, Visa gift card or anything like that. It's basically going to be bill credits, which is kind of nice. I mean, they could give you, money towards paying off your bill, which if you think about it, you have to pay your phone bill either way. So instead of that money that you would use, to pay your phone bill, you can use it on other things. So it's kind of a win-win if you really think about it. So it says twice the storage, same price. Free storage upgrade and Boost E gift card with pre-order. It says offer ends soon. Offer ends February 24th. I believe that's around the day that it launches. So not too bad at all. So let's go down and check them out, guys. Whoa. So here it is. And here's the offers. I kind of like how they have this. So let's look first at the Galaxy S22. So the Samsung Galaxy S22, as you can see, look, they give you a free storage upgrade. Whoa, look at these crazy prices. Holy bejesus. So it says Samsung Galaxy S22, 256 gigabytes of storage. Oh my god, that phone, guys. Am I seeing this? This is even what I would predict. Like I was thinking it was either gonna be full price or maybe $100, $150 off. But they're chunking down, almost half the price. Oh my god. So it says, yeah, I might have to jump on this, guys. Samsung Galaxy S22, 256 gigabytes storage. Receive a free SIM card for the same price. So receive a free SIM card for the same price. So basically, their free offer there, you're getting a free SIM card. I believe they're about $10, so that's free. You can choose different colors. Remember, this pre-order, so there's the black, the green, the pink, and then the white. Me personally, I would probably either go with the black or the white. But look at that price, guys. $849.99. You're getting it at $500, guys. That's $350 savings right there if you pre-order it. And then remember, this is a 256 gigabytes. These are going to sell like hotcakes. I mean, good lord. I don't think any other carrier is selling them at this price. So here's the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. As you can see, it's the Plus version. So 256 gigabytes of storage, guys, instead of the 128. Remember, you're getting a free upgrade on storage if you pre-order it. So Samsung really trying to push these phones. For this one, they only have the Phantom Black. So it only comes in black. Now it says receive a $150 Boost E gift card and a free SIM card for the same price while supplies last. So they're going to give you basically $150 bill credit, which would go towards your monthly service. So if you're paying $50 a month, do the math, about 3 months of service, which is pretty good, Now if this phone retails for $1,000, $1,050 really, you're getting for $700, guys. $700. That's bananas. I mean, good lord. We'll look at the specs in a little bit, but we're looking at the price. Here's the big boy, the Ultra, the Note, should I say. I know it's not official Note, but basically this year they did the Ultra as a Note. As you can see, this is a square body versus these other ones are more rounded. So same thing, 128, you get 256 gigs of storage. They're giving you a $200. So if you really think about it, that's $700. You're going to knock off an additional $150 off of that, guy. So really, really cheap. I don't think any other carrier is doing it like this, at least prepaid. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, same thing. You go from 128 to 256, free upgrade. You get a $200 gift card and a free SIM card. So it retails for $1,300. You're gonna get it for $800, guys. Plus, you're gonna knock off $200 or more. So what is that? $600, technically speaking. That's half off right there for an Ultra, guys. That is crazy, crazy. So Boost Mobile, they're always doing the best they can, and I mean, I don't know why, the carrier isn't bigger. I mean, they're really attracting customers with these prices, guys. Here's the specs. Remember, we're going to go from the regular, the plus, the ultra. So not much difference here. Not much difference on the processor either. They look about the same. So it's going to have a Snapdragon 895, Snapdragon 8450. Like I said, it looks about the same. Storage looks about the same. Their octa-core processor, of course, these processors could be the top of the line for Android right now. Internal storage, like I said, 256, 256, 256. Now here's the cameras on the regular one. I'll call it the regular 50 megapixel wide, 10 megapixel telephoto, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 30 times space zoom. Now for the plus, you get the same specs on the camera, but now once we go to the ultra, guys, 108 megapixel wide lens, 10 megapixel plus a 10 megapixel telephoto lens, whoa, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide, 100 times space zoom. Man, I don't know, man, you're gonna creep on some people. Front facing camera, 10 on both of them, for 10 on the regular, 10 on the plus, and then 40 megapixels on the ultra. Oh my god, that is bananas. 40 megapixels. We actually got a store demo in, and man, I'm telling you, that thing looks real, man. Screen sizes, of course, are going to be different. 6.1 inch Full HD plus dynamic AMOLED 2x 1080 by 2340, so 1080p displays. The only one you're going to get higher is going to be the Ultra. So now screen size 6.1, that's sort of like a regular iPhone and a Pro. Now we get to the Plus, of course, it's the Plus, so you get a 6.6 Full HD plus dynamic AMOLED 2x 1080 x 2340. So basically the same screen right here, it's just bigger. But then when we get to the Ultra, man, it's a 6.8 inch Quad HD or QHD plus dynamic AMOLED 2x 1440 by 3088. Oh my god. Of course, they're all Type C. Now here's another big difference of the battery, of course. 3700 milliamps with the regular. The Plus gets bumped up to 45, and the Ultra a 5000 milliamp battery. Oh my god. Of course, with the higher screen resolution, I mean, you can only, think that it's going to consume more battery. So yeah, it's nice that they upped it. 5.2 Bluetooth version, whoa, and IP68 water resistant, really, really nice. God, look at that. That's the Ultra right there. Does come with a pen. Says write, sketch, edit, and more. Whoa. And then of course upgrade now to join America's largest 5G network. I believe it's still under T-Mobile. Yep, still under T-Mobile's network. So guys, you do get 5G with that. So let me know in the comments below, guys. Are you going to order this? Are you thinking about ordering this? I mean, good lord, this is a really good offer right now. I would definitely think about getting this, in my opinion. But if you want to support the channel, check out Honey. Honey's free web browser extension that finds you popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Cricket, Walmart, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic. That will be in the description below. Once you download it, like I said, it finds your promo codes, saves you money. Once you download it on Google Chrome, you make your first purchase by saving some money. I get a small kickback. That helps the channel. If not, you can click the members or join button as well. So check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and let me know. Please let me know, are you thinking about getting this phone, and how crazy are these prices, huh? So thank you, guys.